Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick update on our camping and fishing clearance category. Now, I did upload a video yesterday going over all the things that are included on the list with pictures and UPC codes. So if you missed out on that video, make sure that you go and check it out. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, this week at Dollar General is going to be absolutely wild. We have some fantastic clearance markdowns. Plus, at the end of the week, we are going to have the Dollar General clearance event, the first one of 2024, and I'm telling you, I'm really excited about it, and I'm really excited to share all the clearance event information that I have with you all. But first, we just need to talk about our normal schedule, our regular clearance markdowns. These will start on Tuesday, February the 27th. All right, so first up, we have a new mystery clearance category. We have our Mission brand accessories going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday, February the 27th. You guys know me, I will be looking into this. If you guys have any ideas, you can leave those down in the comment section below, or if you have pictures that you want me to take a look at, you can send those over to my email, which is crazycoupons1@gmail.com, or you can reach out to me over on Instagram at crazycoupons. All right, next up, we have our red dot home items dropping down to 50% off starting on Tuesday, February the 27th. We also have our picture frames dropping down to 70% off. So these are some fantastic deals. Like I told you all last week, I did a little investigating, and from what I can tell, the ones that are included do not have the white packaging around the picture frame like you guys saw in that first picture. Here are some that I have confirmed with the UPC codes that are following the clearance markdown. And then I also received a few pictures from another amazing Craz-E couponer. So let's take a look at what she found at her store. They had some of them marked in the regular aisle, and then they also put together a table up front. Now, this will vary depending on your store, but I have a feeling that a lot of stores will be manually marking down picture frames, even if they're still at full price, because that was a huge list of picture frames that we received, and it's going to be a pain to go through all of those frames and pick out which ones are actually included in this clearance markdown. So y'all just keep that in mind, but that will vary from store to store. All right, up next we have our holiday totes dropping down to 70% off starting on Tuesday, February the 27th. Now, this is a pretty big category if we're comparing it to last year and the year before. We have the huge 45-gallon Sterilite tote. Here we have a locking tote Bella brand 120 quart. Here we have a 121 quart locking tote. We also have the Sterilite 2-layer ornament box, normally $15, guys. We also have our 40-quart red locking totes. Y'all don't forget those lids. We also have these Sterilite oval bow boxes. Absolutely love these. Up next, we have the large decorative boxes. Again, be on the lookout for those lids. Up next, we have the red and green Christmas tree storage bags. And going right along with it, we have the red and green gift wrap storage bags. And we also have the red and green wreath storage bags. Next up, we have the light spools. These are clear, so the picture's a little bit hard to see. We also have the Whitmore Christmas wreath and garland storage bags. Right along with it, we have the Whitmore gift wrap organizer. And then last but not least, we have these small decorative boxes. All right, moving on into our next category, we have our Valentine's Day candy dropping down to 90% off starting on Tuesday, February the 27th. So, big jump on the candy. This is really exciting. And honestly, it doesn't surprise me that Dollar General decided to mark this category down to 90% off right before a clearance event. So y'all look high, look low, look everywhere you go. I know that a lot of people were really excited about the white cheddar cheese snowballs. Those are following this clearance markdown. Here's a few other items that I thought might be a little bit more hidden than the regular Valentine's Day candy. So be on the lookout discount because these are all going to be fantastic prices starting on Tuesday. Now, I also wanted to make sure that everybody was aware we do have the Welch's Sparkling Grape Juice, and unfortunately, those will be excluded this year. So those are still sitting at full price. Again, if you're ever in doubt, scan, scan, scan. All right, up next, we also have our Valentine's Day seasonal category dropping down to 90% off starting on Tuesday, February the 27th. So this does include all of our stuffed animals, all the little arts and crafts kits, all the Valentine's Day cards, baskets, buckets, home decor items, you name it, it's included, and it's going to be 90% off starting on Tuesday. Now, going right along with it, we have our Valentine's Day sock category going down to 90% off, and that means that these socks will be just 10 cents starting on Tuesday. Great find. Now, also dropping down to 90% off starting on Tuesday, February the 27th, we have our Valentine's Day party category. So all of those paper plates and napkins. There may be some cups out there. I was only able to find the paper plates and the napkins, but a lot of those items will be just 10 cents. Now, I also want to go ahead and let you all know that I did upload a video last week talking about all the Valentine's Day hidden clearance items, and we go over a little penny prep. So if you missed that video, make sure that you go back and check it out. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. There's a lot of really good information in that video, along with tons of visuals and UPC codes. So y'all make sure that you check that one out along with our camping and fishing clearance visual video, and both of those will be linked for you right down below this video in the pinned comment. Now, unfortunately, this week at Dollar General, we do not have a penny list so far. If anything changes, of course, you guys will be the first to know. And one last thing before I let you all go, like I said at the beginning of the video, we have our first Dollar General clearance event of 2024 coming up right around the corner. It is going to start next Friday on March the 1st and run through Sunday, March the 3rd. I have tons and tons and tons of information to share with you all. So please make sure that you are subscribed. I know YouTube does some weird things sometimes and they unsubscribe people. So make sure that you are subscribed. Turn on your notifications and make sure that they are set to all. Now, I'm just going to be honest with you guys. YouTube is not the best with notifications. So if you do not see those notifications popping up in your feed, on your screen, make sure that you come back and check out my YouTube channel every single day this week, because I promise I will have new content uploaded. All right, so subscribe, notifications on, and of course, make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. I am really, really excited about this week, and I hope that you all are too. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a beautiful day, and I'll see you on the next one.